There's one simple reason why most people haven't yet reached their goals. It just may be the one thing that's holding you back from your breakthrough. That one thing is consistency. In this video, I will show you 3 ways I use in my personal life to stay consistent. Make sure you pay attention to the last one because it's the most.
Give me that, oh that's mine. And that money's not yours.
Think about it. The difference that separates a fitness star from a couch potato is their consistency with a healthy diet and exercise routine. That's it. Look, I know you can exercise and eat right. You've done it before. But a fitness plan only works when you consistently stay with it. You start, you stop, start again. Take a few days off, then get back on track. This effort will never lead you to that dramatic body transformation that you've been dreaming about. What if I told you that you're 5 feet from goal? That if you simply dug in a little deeper and stuck with the program with consistency, you finally achieve the best results that you've been hoping for a long, long time. You're 5 feet from goal. Don't stop now. Don't stop. The fact is that anyone can stick with a fitness plan and diet plan for a little while. Anyone can complete a challenge. And of course, anybody can finish a 30-day program. Anyone could put in 2 weeks of solid effort. It's those who really niche in and click in on consistency that see the big changes and experience the joy and triumph of real accomplishment. I want this for y'all, man. I want this for you. I know that you see how valuable consistency is and you want to do it, but you get off track. How do you tap into consistency you need to make a real improvement in your life? I got 3 of them. 3 steps that I'm gonna give to you guys. Let's go ahead and tap into them. The first one is gonna be real simple. All of them can be simple to some people, but this one is gonna be the first one that anybody can do. You gotta see it. Define exactly what it is you want to be consistent on. For example, instead of saying I'll start exercising, say I'll do 4 a.m. sessions Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. And instead of I'll start eating healthy, say I'll eat 1,700 calories per day and divide them into 5 meals. The more specific, the better. Keep in mind that you are defining your actions, not your outcome. So it's like an outcome, it's a byproduct of you consistently just, moving and doing the same actions. You gotta stay consistent with it. Just clearly define the actions that you need to be consistent on. So far, that's the first one. I really appreciate you guys rocking with me all the time, every week. I got a real good surprise for you guys, some recipes. 40 plus of them free. These are the ones that's gonna keep you lean, keep you tight, keep you shredded, keep you muscle, whatever you want to get to. Hey, this plan right here can do that. You want to lose a little bit, decrease a little bit of the food. If you want to bulk up a little bit sometimes, go and add a little bit more to your plate. But these recipes are awesome. I use them every day, all the time when I'm not ordering out. Y'all need to slow down on it too. Make your own food. Grab them at the bottom and they're free. Put in your email, I'll send them right to you. Appreciate y'all. And the second one is gonna be, you gotta feel it. Feel it. Now that you determine the actions needed, let's think about the outcome and clearly define it. Be specific with this one. What do you want to look like? What would the new body feel like? Ooh. How will your friends and family respond to the new you? Come on, think about it. It's time to get those emotions all tied up in this quest, in this journey, whatever you want to call it. It's okay to have some feelings. It's all right. These are good feelings right here. These are feelings, get them wrapped in, because the feelings sometimes they're going to push you. It's a percentage of it. It's not all about it. But some of that is going to be them feelings that's going to push you through that workout. It's going to push you through to what you need to get to, man. Think about it. Emotionally take ownership of that idea and own it. It's okay to daydream sometimes, man. I daydream sometimes about the body that I want and the life that I want to live. And feeling good and looking good, I daydream about it. I want to keep going. I want to be 80 without no walker, just moving around, doing my thing. I got goals. That's my long-term goal. Right now, this goal right now is just to look as good as I can on the beach, feeling good, clothes, feeling everything is good. Doctors say I'm looking right. Daydream about that, man. It's okay to daydream about this. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Get your work done, though, first. Make sure you're making money. Do what you got to do. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Appreciate y'all. We done got 2 down. We got 1 more to go. But while you got this little break right here, go ahead and give me a like. And hit that comment at the bottom. Let me know how you feel about this. Let me know how you feel if you daydreaming about it. You already wrote down. You switching up a few things already. I got the things churning in your brain right now. Let me know. Put them in the comments, man. Give me a like, dislike. Let me know how y'all feel about this video. And that third one, how y'all want to do it? Third, however y'all want to do it. It's going to be do it. You're clear about what you want now, right? You feel invested, getting the results. Now go about your business of taking consistent actions towards your goal. You see how I put that point? Say it again. Now go about the business of taking consistent action toward your goal. Yes, this is simple. This sounds simple. And you know what? No, it is simple. Be consistent and you'll soon strike that goal that I was talking about at the beginning, right? You'll strike it. Trust me, if you just keep on digging, y'all seen that meme? I might find it, put it in the middle of this one. That goal when he's digging real hard, he's digging, and right before he's giving up, and right if he didn't quit, 2 more hits, he would have struck gold, diamonds, everything. That's how it is with this fitness journey is now. You don't see the results sometimes, and you feel like you're gaining weight or you're trying to lose weight, and backwards, you know what I'm talking about. Either or, you're not getting to that goal. But if you just stay consistent that few more months, that few more weeks, just do a little bit better, man, you'll strike that goal. You'll start seeing your body changes. That's how it is with your body. It's not gonna go overnight, not go in a week, sometimes not even gonna go in a month or 2. But you have to keep working at it. Keep on working at it, man. Don't stop. Keep on doing what you have to do. If you need any accountability, I'm here to help. I'm right here if you want a little bit more accountability. Go ahead and the link at the bottom. I got a calendar down there. You can schedule a call with me. You can send me an email. You can hit me up in the comments. You can even DM me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to find me. Get in contact with me. Just let me know how you feel. We can stay on track. I can give you some tips here and there. Got a few programs that can be, maybe fit. I don't accept everybody, but sometimes these programs can help the majority of people. Let me know. Go and apply. We can talk, chit chat up, text, however you want to do it. Let's go and get ready because, summer, springtime is always coming back around. It's time to get fit. Appreciate everybody rocking with me. Make sure you hit me up in them comments. Let me know how y'all feel. I'll see y'all on the next one. Hold on. All right?